So today, we are going to compare Vercel and the Cloudflare pages, which is the two platforms for deploying static sites. So first, in Vercel, it focuses on serverless deployment, especially for Next.js applications. And the pros of it is easy integration with Next.js or JavaScript, and it fast builds and preview deployments. So the cons of it is it has limited non-Next.js support only, while on Cloudflare pages, it is a Jamstack platform designed for static sites. And the pros of it is blazing fast CDN, DDoS protection, and scalable free tier. And the cons of it is it has only a limited dynamic content support. So in comparison, choose Vercel for dynamic applications, especially with Next.javascript or JS, and then just choose Cloudflare pages for fast, static site hosting. And in conclusion, for dynamic applications, Vercel wins. For static sites, Cloudflare pages is unbeatable.